Well, probably on the sliders now. How do I pick these? This is the first time I've had a pick in this lock, so just gonna. Feels like I'm getting a lot of good movement. Not really doing anything special, just sort of shoving them over one at a time. Oh, all right. Well, that wasn't too bad, was it? Whoopsie doodle. All right, let's see what's in the old M&C Condor. Condor? Condor. All right. Are you stuck? Oh boy. Well, let's see what happens. I guess we'll just start gutting this thing. And whoops. And see what pops out. All right. Let's start with the Duck Facts tray. It's a thick shim. Thin shim. There's probably like a sidebar and some other weirdness in here. Use my weird kung fu grip to see if I can stop stuff from spilling out. All right. Okay. All right. What is happening? I got a sidebar coming out. Got sliders. I've got pins. All right. Let me get these side. Okay. All right. Okay. Those are the sprung sliders. Oh, that looks like it's just key control. I think that's just some key control pin, like that guy. Who cares about those, right? Okay. Whoopsie doodle. Alright, I better use my standard direction. I wonder if this was the problem. This guy keeps trying to come out. And looks like it's just warding. I wonder if that was getting caught or what. Okay. Standard. Whoa, okay, that's coming out anyway. Standard. 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 5 of them. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that makes sense. Then let's have this supplementary guy, maybe a different one. Okay, yeah, no false gates or anything on those. At least not on that one. Whoops. Just 5. Ooh, gee whiz. Yeah. Alright. Figure out how that goes back together. There's some springs in there. I don't want to deal with them, so just trust me that there are springs in there. Is there anything special at this sidebar? I don't think there was. Nope. Just big old chunky sidebar. Big old chunky gates. Yeah. Huge movement on the core. I feel like every time I set one of those things. A lot of nice, obvious feedback. That must be drill protection. Or something up in there. Nice, obvious feedback in this lock. Looks like it's trying to be a spool. Also, that's like a little serration or something in there. Yeah, some kind of spool or single serration kind of thing. This first one looks like steel, both key and driver pins. Same deal. Oh, it's my shim. I forgot to take the shim out, so it's blocking pins from coming out. It's like, what is happening? And same. So, yeah, there we go. M&C Condor with the. Let's see if I can do this without anything terrible happening. 5 pins, dimple style, with some kind of spooling there, and then 5 sliders with no false gates. So that was the first time I tried to pick it, so pretty straightforward, pretty easy, but fun nonetheless. There it is.